Apple is preparing its widest array of new products for this fall. Our best ever. It's like when they say, iPhone 13 is our best iPhone ever. It's like, wait a sec. Doesn't it have to be? Like, what do we need to discuss that for?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it seems pretty obvious. It would be the best version of the one you've ever made. We'd have a real problem if it was worse.
Yeah.
iPhone 13, our second best iPhone ever. So wait a second. Which way did you go with it?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be really interesting. Reverse psychology. I'm like, I need it. It's the second best ever.
Yeah.
You need to own one of those. By the way, look in the corner there. Did you see the new Bronco Raptor?
Yeah, that's one of the stories.
Oh, okay. I'm going to stay away from it for now. There's a little foreshadowing for the future.
Yeah, we'll talk about it.
Later this year, we'll reportedly see the iPhone 14, new iPads, updated MacBooks, and more. Well, is that different than usual? I mean, that's what they've been doing.
Yes.
Apple is reportedly working on different products for this fall, and a Sunday report from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman adds that the launch may include the widest array of new hardware products. And I guess it has been slowly expanding and growing.
Mm-hmm.
New iPad, iPad Pro, low-end MacBook Pro, Mac Pro, iMac, redesigned MacBook Air, second-generation AirPods Pro, 3 Apple Watches, Series 8 SE, and rugged version. That's interesting. And 4 new iPhones. The latter includes the iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, and 5G iPhone SE. That's quite a few products.
Yeah. So I guess this is why this is, such a big announcement, is because they're going to announce it probably in one event. I guess in the fall. Or maybe multiple events.
I don't think that's going to be in one event, man. That would be a legendary event. They usually split them up a little bit, don't they? They usually don't talk about MacBooks and iPhones at the same time.
September for sure. And maybe in October, November.
Who are you, Will?
Right? I'm speculating. I'm Mark Gurman here.
Are you Mark Gurman?
Will Gurman.
You're just putting dates down. You're like, September 22, we're going to do this.
22.
October 14, we're going to come back and we're going to do this over here.
But if they even have like 2 events and they have the iPad, MacBook Pro, Mac Pro, iMac, Apple Watches,
let them know.
Pro,
let them know.
And the iPhones. That's a lot.
Let them know.
That's a lot for the fall.
Let them know. Let them know.
Yeah.
All right. Which one of those
That's a buffet.
Which one of those are you going to get, by the way? What's on your radar out of all those items?
You know what? I'm looking to get a new MacBook.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Which one do you need? Which MacBook are you getting?
The best one.
Really? So 15-inch? MacBook Pro? Because it says a low-end MacBook Pro is what it's saying they're going to announce. You want the low end?
No, right here, the MacBook Pro.
Yeah, low end.
Low end. Oh, no, I don't want that one. Can I return it already? Yeah. I forgot the low end here. It was hidden. Maybe a Mac Pro.
Okay, all right. What
designated spot at my place?
You, man. Jeez.
That'll be great.
This took a real turn. Hey, scroll down a little bit. iPhone 14 specifically rumored to sport a new design notchless display. Oh yeah, we heard about this. A pill or hole punch front camera. Touch ID, that would be nice. Mm-hmm. Durable titanium body. Okay, let's get that. Yeah, I mean, that's all the wish list right there. I'll take a titanium notchless Touch ID under the display iPhone. That's what I'll take.